Hello again, friends. Mrs. Rixner from Henry Clay, and we're going to do some moving and grooving. The first thing that I have that I would love to do with you is a favorite song of my friends called Elephants Have Wrinkles. And this has to do with a lot of our different body parts. So you really need to listen carefully. I will have it playing in the background, but we need to do those motions. We're going to touch our toes way down here. And then in another verse, we're going to touch our knees, and then our hips, and then our ears, and then our trunk, our elephant trunk, and then our teeth. And this is a building song, so it will start with toes, then go to knees, and then go back to toes, and then hips and knees and toes, then ears and hips and knees and toes, and so on, and build up as we do the song. So if you're ready, here we go.
Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. On their toes, on their toes. No one knows why. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. On their knees, on their toes. No one knows why. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. On their hips, on their knees, on their toes. No one knows why. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. On their ears, on their hips, on their knees, on their toes. No one knows why. Wrinkles everywhere. On the trunk, on their ears, on their hips, on their knees, on their toes. No one knows why. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. On their teeth,
On their teeth,
on their teeth.
on their teeth.
That's ridiculous.
That's ridiculous.
On their trunk,
On their trunk,
on their ears,
on their ears,
on their hips,
on their hips,
on their
knees,
on their toes.
on their toes. No one knows why.
Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere.
I really hope you enjoyed singing Elephants Have Wrinkles. That's a really fun one. Have a great day. Until next time.